In this example, we're going to talk about dollar value LIFO retail method. So on January 1st, 2011, the Goldenrod Glass Company adopted the dollar value LIFO retail method. The following data is available for 2011. And so we've got columns for cost and for retail. Under cost, we have our beginning inventory of $213,840 and a beginning inventory on retail of $396,000. We have net purchases at cost of $360 as compared to retail $765. And then we have our markups and markdowns. Our net sales are $690,000, and our retail price index for the year on 12/31/11 is 1.02. So we want to calculate the estimated ending inventory and cost of goods sold for 2011. So under our LIFO dollar value retail method, we are going to start with our beginning inventory. So we're going to have $213,840. This is going to be our base, and our retail is $396,000. Okay, so next then we're going to do our net purchases. So we had net cost purchases of $360,000, and we had $765,000 of net purchase on retail. Our net markups were $18,000. Our net markdowns were $33,000. So we're going to subtract that out. Okay, I'm going to draw a line here, and this is going to give us our goods available for sale for both. So I'm going to do an auto sum, and we're just going to go up to there. So I have 360 available for sale, excluding beginning inventory. Okay, our goods available for sale, including beginning inventory, is going to be equal to our beginning inventory of 213,000 plus our goods available for sale not including it, so 573,840 for at our cost, and at retail we are at $1,146,000. Okay, next we are going to calculate our base year cost to retail percentage. So that is going to be equal to our 213,840 divided by our retail amount of 396. So I have 54% is going to be my base year cost to retail percentage. In 2011, we are going to take my goods available for sale for just that year, so 360,000 that cost, and we're going to divide that by my goods available for sale just for the year's purchases of 750,000. So my cost to retail percentage is 48% at that point. Okay, so next we have to do a few steps then. Okay, we are going to go down and start with our ending inventory at year-end retail prices. And we're going to get that by taking, we have our 1,146,000 goods available for sale. We are going to subtract out our $690,000 of sales, and that is going to give us a ending inventory at current retail price. Again, I'm just going to do a little sum here for that of 456,000. So that's going to be my ending inventory at retail prices. Okay, so then next we're going to calculate our ending inventory at base year retail prices. So we start with our ending inventory at year-end retail prices of 456, and we're going to divide that by our retail index, price index of 1.02 that was given to us at the beginning. So that comes up with a value of 447,059. Okay, so then we are calculate our we want to calculate our base inventory layer, our inventory layers at base year retail prices. So our base is again, up here, it's going to be our 396. Okay. And then we need to convert that to our cost. So we're going to do that by taking our base times 1, since it's our base year, times our percentage that we calculated, base year to cost retail percentage up above of 54%. And that's going to give us 213,840. So that inventory layer converted to cost is going to be 213,840. Next, we need to calculate our year 2 base. Okay, so for 2011, and we get that very easily by calculating our, taking our, oops, excuse me, I'm going to get in the right column here, by taking our ending inventory at base year retail, and we're going to subtract out our 396 base, which leaves us 51,059 2011 layer. Next, we need to convert that inventory layer to cost. So we're going to take our cost, we're going to take our inventory of 51 times our index of 1.02 times our cost of retail percentage that we had calculated earlier, 48%, and that gives that layer, our 2011 layer, at our 1.02 retail price of 24,998 is our cost. So we are going to underline that, and that's going to give us our total ending inventory at dollar value LIFO retail cost. And we can do that in multiple years if need be. We add that up. So this is going to be our total inventory is going to be 238,838. So now we can complete our exercise up top here. Our estimated ending inventory at cost is going to be, we're going to be subtracting that out of our 238. Okay, and that is going to then allow us to calculate our estimated cost of goods sold, which is going to be our goods available for sale, including beginning inventory of 573,840. We now have our conversion estimated at cost at 238,838. Our cost of goods sold, oops, I should have done a sum there, I'm sorry, I'll do a plus. There we go, 335,002 is indeed our cost of goods sold. Our estimated cost of goods sold using dollar value LIFO retail. Again, there's your problem and your solution. And good luck with that, and I hope this helps.